Welcome. If you're using Dropbox and want to make a photo offline unavailable, whether to save space or manage your files better, this updated guide will walk you through the simple steps on your phone. First, open the Dropbox app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Files tab. This section shows you all your folders and files stored in Dropbox. Next, find the photo you want to make offline unavailable. When you locate it, tap the three dots icon right next to the photo's name. This opens an options menu for that specific file. In this menu, locate the setting called Make Available Offline. If the photo is currently available offline, you'll see this toggle switched on. Simply tap the toggle to turn Make Available Offline off. By doing this, you tell Dropbox to remove the file stored locally on your device. The photo will still be safely stored in your Dropbox cloud account, but it won't take up space on your phone anymore. You'll need an internet connection to view it again. This approach is especially useful if you have many photos or files synced offline that you don't need regular access to without Wi-Fi, helping you to free up valuable storage space on your device. Remember, if you want to make the photo available offline again later, you can follow the same steps and toggle Make Available Offline back on. That's all there is to it. This quick process ensures you can manage your Dropbox storage effectively by controlling which photos and files remain offline on your phone. Thanks for listening and enjoy a clutter-free Dropbox experience.